Today we are here. It's called Het Bos, Amsterdam Bos. It's just a park and a lot of trees outside and a lot of wildlife. People come here for a walk with their dogs and also some photographies for the nature. Beautiful landscape you guys can see behind me. So let's go for this and we'll hunt some winter birds. It's cold and it's rainy today. Let's see what we can get. Yeah, so with me. Very chilly, cold morning, guys. A lot of ducks here. Maybe some of them are migrated from different places. But what I'm especially looking for ijsvogel. Here they speak in Dutch. They call it ijsvogel, a kingfisher. Let's see if last time I spotted one, just if you see on the block, but I don't find it anymore. I just saw a woodpecker just land on the tree. I'm just gonna look into that and let's see if I can get it. Still see some song thrush. They're just on the ground. Maybe if I can get a shot. These thrushes are really very faster. So just behind this tree, behind me on this tree, just in here, I just saw a couple of pooter and jay. I got a few clicks of the jay. The pooter just run away because they're very small and very fast, but I got some picture of the jay, very nice. By the way, in terms what I'm using a Canon and with a Sigma 600mm, which is quite a good match. And yeah, my camera is not that faster. I'm still waiting to upgrade it, but I think very soon I'm gonna upgrade. But so far so good. This serves me really well. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm just trying to catch my breath. It's cold, it's chilly morning. Just sitting on a bench near it. Let me show you what I just got. Maybe then we move forward. Here, sitting nicely. It's too funny. I'm just waiting for a pair of kai. These birds are so curious. I mean, if they heard a small noise, they just run away. And I have a lot of people, you can see. I was walking by this path. It's just a walking forest. Many people come to walk and pass their time, but I'll keep waiting for this. And on this tree, those birds are landing because there are nuts on the tree. So hopefully I get a nice shot and I can show you guys. Okay, guys, so this is the end today. The search for the kingfisher, still a search. There is no way I couldn't get a single one. All the known spots I have been, but yeah, and we'll come back next time. But I got a couple of nice shots. Maybe I can show you once I'm back. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe for more journeys. Here I see Egyptian goose on the tree. I might get a capture. Thank you.